Google Analytics is a popular website tracking tool available on the internet. The best thing about Google Analytics is its price. It's free of cost. All you need to do is to implement it on your website and start getting the results. Let's have a look at the ways how to connect Google Analytics to WordPress sites, but before that, you need to know how to sign up for Google Analytics. First, we go to the analytics.google.com. Now, if you have a Google account, sign into the account, otherwise, you can sign up to create a fresh one. So, this is what the Google Analytics dashboard looks like. In account details, just type the name of the website, and then press next. After account setup, we are now at property setup. Here, you can enter the website name. I am typing my website tracking for example. Select the exact time zone you want to monitor. You can select currency as well if you have an e-commerce store. Now click on the Show Advanced Options, and this new menu will pop up here. This is Create a Universal Analytics Property. Click on the toggle button here. Now, enter the website URL and choose from HTTP and HTTPS options, and then, click on the Create a Universal Analytics Property only. All done here. Now we can press next. Over here, it's asking about information related to our business. Fill in the details that suit your business, and hit the Create button. Accept the terms of the service agreement, check it, and press the Accept button. Now we got our tracking ID and global site tag code. Installing or adding Google Analytics to WordPress can be done easily by following two main methods. Copy the tracking code. Log in to the WordPress site. In the Appearance menu, click on Theme File Editor. Search for the template file named header.php in the list of templates. Search for the head and paste the previous tracking code before the close head tag. Update the file after you have pasted the code. You're all set. Now, you can track your data in your Google Analytics dashboard. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Add New Plugin option, and search for the Monster Insights plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Click on the Launch Wizard button, and begin setup of the Monster Insights plugin. Select your website category. Here I am choosing the business category. Press Save and continue. Press the Connect Monster Insights button here, to connect it with our Google Analytics account. Now, choose your Google account which is associated with your Google Analytics account. It's asking for permission, just allow it. Select the profile. Click on that checkbox if you want to receive promo options or updates from Monster Insights, and press the Complete Connection button. In the third step, here are some of the cool features provided by Monster Insights. I will keep it the default for now and press Save and continue. Awesome, you're all set. Monster Insights setup is now finished. You can upgrade to the Pro version later if you need extra features. Now, press the Exit Setup button in the upper right-hand corner. Congratulations! You are now connected with Monster Insights. Now, on the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, you can find the Insights menu. Click on Reports. Here you can get all the analytics. We hope you found the information helpful and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching.